break the lace inside of me. Does the bicycle mess up your back? Because they always try to see how the radio is.
Yeah, I would say that.
Man, I'd be tired, but not fast. Hey guys, stop talking. Stop talking. We're gonna lose.
Well, that's why somebody leads you in front.
Stop talking, man.
The guy in front takes all the things. You're actually getting pulled.
What the heck?
That's why they look alive like that.
Oh, wow.
The guy in front, since he's going at a certain speed, like fast, he's creating a vacuum effect. So all bikes are being sucked behind him.
I forgot that person.
So you can rest. You can rest in the back.
No one wants to be that person because they're gonna tired.
That's a sprinter. That's a climber. That's what they do. They take turns.
Where's God?
The ace is the only person that never falls.
Okay.
So once you're going to a high place, you climb it and go.
Yeah.
Once you're going to a strip place,
Your ace
Happy
The ace
Mother's
is the
Day
one
to all single
They work
mom
for a team.
and the mom to be.
Who's that character?
He's a climber.
it's easier like this.
He's kind of weird though.
Hey, the green hair guy?
Green hair guy.
He kinda looks weird. I don't know. But I'm sure there's one girl.
CJ, what are you doing?
There has to be someone.
Again, with the shoes. CJ, the Mr. Shoes.
There's a crash. Remember now? There's a crash.
Morning, you guys. Here, usual, at my son's school, waiting for it to open. Tell you it happened yesterday. Someone bashed my car tail light. I'll post a picture, okay? But yeah, I don't know why someone would do that. People nowadays. Like me and my husband went to the mall yesterday, and then when I got out of the car, the light was fine, you know, because I walk around the car, you know, to go to my husband's side. And then after that, when we're done whatever we're doing at the mall, when we're walking back to the car, and then we're like, where did I park, you know, because I saw a van but the light looks different, but we're not so sure. So I was like, I could have swore I like parked that side. So we just kept on walking, and I was like, oh, yeah, it is my car because it still has that temporary plate card on the back. And then I look, the light, like someone hit it or something. Yeah, and we're looking on the floor to see if there's any like the pieces from it, but I see nothing. So I don't know. Maybe, I don't know. I have no clue. Crazy people. Maybe they're just hating. I don't know. So yeah, that was my day the other day. Well, yesterday.
And looking online to see, buy a replacement, looking online to buy a new tail light. The day is just getting worse and worse. Like, I was having issue too yesterday with the DMV, but everything's been taken care of, I hope. And I called insurance and they told me, okay, everything's fine. And I told him that I still need to go to DMV to talk to them, and he said no. So, we'll see. CJ, I just need to look at you so you can make my day feel all better. Huh, CJ?
You want to go swimming, CJ? Our pool finally has water. It's clean.
Finally! I can't go past. Cold.
Huh?
It's too cold. Slowly.
Fun? What do you guys do?
Play.
Play what?
Play games.
What kind of game? I don't know. You guys were playing all by yesterday. What did you guys play?
First, we're playing game like you pass the ball to like a circle, and there's one person, and that person passes the ball and you pass it back to her. And the other game,
You guys play a whole day?
not all day.
No.
I got to watch E.T.
E.T.?
I got to watch Wreck-It Ralph.